Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. Today we will start with third chapter of Maths part 1, that is polynomial. Now let us start some definition of polynomial. So what is polynomial? Definition of polynomial is in an algebraic expression if the powers of the variables are whole numbers then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. For example, 6, minus 7, 1 by 2, 0, root 3, etc. are constant numbers can be called as constant polynomial. 0 is also a constant polynomial. X square plus 3x square plus 5x is a polynomial and root y plus 5 is not a polynomial. Because root y plus 5 equal to y to the power 1 by 2 plus 5. Here power of y is 1 by 2 which is not a whole number. Now types of polynomials based on number of terms. First, monomial. Polynomial having only one term is called as monomial, for example 2x, 5x and 7. Second, binomial. Polynomial having two terms is called as binomial, for example 2x plus 5 and m square minus 3m. Third, trinomial. Polynomial having three terms is called as trinomial, for example 2y square minus 2y plus 5 and x cube plus x square plus 2x. Now, degree of a polynomial in one variable. First, in case of a polynomial in one variable, the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, x to the power 5 minus 3x to the power 4 minus 2x plus 7. Here, the highest power of the variable is 5, therefore the degree of the polynomial is 5. Second, the degree of any non-zero constant number is 0. Third, the degree of the polynomial 10 is 0 because 10 equal to 10 into 1 equal to 10 into x to the power 0 because x to the power 0 equal to 1. Fourth, the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Now, degree of a polynomial in more than one variable. The highest sum of the powers, the variables in each term of the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. For example, 3m square n to the power 6 plus 7m square n cube minus mn. Here, the highest sum of the powers of the term 3m square n to the power 6 is 2 plus 6 equal to 9. Therefore, degree of the given polynomial is 9. Now, types of polynomial based on degree. First, linear polynomial. Polynomial having degree 1 is called as linear polynomial. Standard form ax plus b. Here a and b are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. For example, 7y and 3x minus 1. Second, quadratic polynomial. Polynomial having degree 2 is called as quadratic polynomial. Standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Here a, b and c are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. For example, 2y square plus y plus 1 and minus 3x square. Third, cubic polynomial. Polynomial having degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial. Standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a, b, c and d are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. For example, x cube plus x square plus 2x plus root 3 and m minus m cube. Now, standard form of a polynomial. If the term of the polynomial px are written in descending power of x, then such form is called standard form of the polynomial. For example, if px equal to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x to the power 4, then the standard form of the polynomial is px equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5. यहाँ हमें गिवन पॉलिनोमियल को वेरिएबल के पावर के डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है। Now, index form of a polynomial. If the polynomial is written in the descending order of the power of the variables by adding the missing term with coefficient 0, then such a form is called index form of the polynomial. For example, if px equal to x minus 3x square plus x to the power 4, then the index form of the polynomial is px equal to x to the power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 5. मीन्स हमें यहाँ पर गिवन पॉलिनोमियल में जो टर्म मिसिंग है उस टर्म को 0 का मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना है और पावर के डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है। Now, coefficient form of a polynomial. If the coefficients of the variables of a polynomial in index form are written in brackets separated by commas, then such a form is called coefficient form of the polynomial. For example, if px equal to 5 into x to the power 5 plus 0 into x to the power 4 plus 7x cube minus 8x square plus 0x minus 2, then the coefficient form of the polynomial is 5, 0, 7, minus 8, 0, minus 2. कोफिशिएंट फॉर्म ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल में हमें जो गिवन पॉलिनोमियल है उस पॉलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल के मल्टीप्लाई में जो टर्म लिखी है वो उसका कोफिशिएंट कहलाता है। जैसे x टू द पावर 5 के मल्टीप्लाई में 5 लिखा है तो x टू द पावर 5 का कोफिशिएंट कहलाएगा 5। उसी प्रकार x टू द पावर 4 के मल्टीप्लाई में 0 है तो x टू द पावर 4 का कोफिशिएंट हो जाएगा 0। x क्यूब के मल्टीप्लाई में 7 लिखा है तो x क्यूब का कोफिशिएंट कहलाएगा 7। उसी प्रकार हमें x स्क्वायर x एंड विदाउट x का भी कोफिशिएंट लिखना है। तो एक्स स्क्वायर के मल्टीप्लाई में -8 लिखा है तो एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट कहलाएगा -8 एंड एक्स के मल्टीप्लाई में 0 है तो एक्स का कोफिशिएंट कहलाएगा 0 और विदाउट एक्स के कोफिशिएंट हम पूरी वैल्यू लेते हैं, मतलब यहाँ पर -2 लिखा है तो -2 वो कोफिशिएंट कहलाएगा। थैंक यू। इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज़ प्रेस द बेल आइकन।